During the preparation for the software development role, we all tackle the DSA programs in our day-to-day life. Now, in DSA, there are a lot of challenges in which one of the most important challenge is what data structure is used at what time and how do we know. So, today I will clear this doubt with easy tricks and easy noticeable patterns so you can trace the data structure, which data structure is used in just 10 seconds. So let's tune with me, and after some time you will understand all the concepts. First of all, there are not so lot of data structures. We have some few data structure in which we have to notice some minute patterns which directly indicate to use that data structure. First of all, let's think what are the data structures. Data structures are the store or the container which is used to store the data, which includes the array, and string is also data structure, linked list, array list, hash map, hash set, priority queue data structure, stack data structure, graph, binary tree, binary search tree. All these are the data structures. Now, for easy of insertion, and when you want to access the elements in the constant time, so no doubt you have to use the hash map. Hash map allows you to access the value in the constant time. If the size is limited of the data and you have clearly pattern to know the things, to know the data, so the array is preferred over any other data structure. Now, if the question asks for maximum and minimum value, smallest and largest value without using of sorting, then no doubt you have to jump for the heap data structure. Heap includes the max heap and min heap. Now, if the question says to follow a level, means the data is operated and computed in the form as it arrived. So you have to use the queue data structure. On the other side, if the question states that we have to make operation in the base of which data we found at the last, so you have to use the stack data structures. All these are the form of data structure. You just have to practice with time and keep patience. You will definitely solve the DSA problem.